today I'm going to show you how to make Colcannon. It's a lovely creamy Irish mashed potatoes dish that is just full of flavour and so good. I've lived in Ireland for 6 years now and I just feel so blessed to be able to enjoy lovely Irish potatoes and creamy goodness in a mash just like this. Look how creamy and incredible it is. And I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the recipe, step-by-step instructions, lots of ideas for variations too, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment to let me know if you give this Colcannon a try and what you think of it. So let me talk you through the ingredients. I've got a whole lot of Irish potatoes here. You use between 500 grams and a kilo, 1 to 2 pounds of potatoes. I'm going to peel them and chop them up. I've got kale here. You can use kale, you can use some cabbage if you want to instead. I've just got beautiful green kale over there to add some nutrition and flavour, and they're just beautiful trademark Irish green. And I've got some Irish cream and Irish butter, all beautiful Irish ingredients. You can use cream, you can use milk if you want to instead, and I've got unsalted butter. You can use salted if you want to instead, but I'm going to add in a bit of salt, and you can add pepper, any other seasoning you'd like to taste. It'll all be in the blog post down below. But we're going to get started with our potatoes. I'm going to peel, chop them up and pop them into a pot. So I've got the potatoes chopped up. Chop them as uniformly as you can, and now we're just going to cover it up with water and then add on salt, pepper, any other seasoning you like to taste. And now it's on the stovetop. We're going to bring it up to boil. Once it comes up to boiling, reduce it down to simmer and simmer for about 20-25 minutes or until it is beautiful and mashable. Now, regarding the kale, it is up to you. You can, if you want to, while the potato is cooking away, fry up the kale with a bit of butter, some garlic, onion. It is up to you just to add lots more flavour. Or what I'm going to do is just before the potato is ready, I'm just going to add in all of my washed, chopped kale, so it'll just cook along with the potato. We're going to add cream, we're going to add butter, there's salt in there. I'm happy with all of that flavouring, but you are welcome to fry it up if you want to separately, but I like to make less washing up for myself and just doing it all in one pot. So I've just got the potatoes cooking away, and just before they're ready, we'll pop the kale in as well. Potatoes have just come up to the bubble. I'm reducing them down to a low simmer and going to let them cook for 20 to 25 minutes or until it's easily mashable. Potatoes have been simmering away gently for the last 20 or so minutes. They're almost done, so I'm going to add in the kale a little bit at a time. So add in kale, mix it through, add a little bit more until all the kale is added to the potatoes. So now just cook it until all of the kale is reduced down and the potato is mashable. Once you're happy the kale's cooked and potatoes are done, then remove off the heat, drain off the excess liquid, and then we'll get mashing. I've drained the potatoes and kale, and now to add the creamy ingredients. Plenty of Irish butter, just like that. It's already starting to melt in, and then we'll also add a couple of tablespoons of cream, and then just mash until you have a smooth, creamy Colcannon mash. Just mash until it's creamy to your liking. Have a little taste. Make sure that it's seasoned to taste, that it's got enough salt, pepper, cream, butter, and that it is just absolutely perfect to your liking. So there you go. Take a closer look at my creamy Colcannon with the beautiful kale in every mouthful, and it's just so good and so full of flavour. And you can serve it with some corned beef, some Irish corned beef and Irish stew. There's lots of other yum ways to enjoy it. I'll write it all down in the blog post down below, so be sure to click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment to let me know if you give this Colcannon a try and what you think of it. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.